Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about this NSE Pi, which we use to extract this historical data from NSE websites. Okay, so here previously I've been done a video regarding this one, so from that you can follow this stuff. Okay, so there is not much any other thing are there. Okay, some syntax are being little bit different, and you need to update your NSE Pi. Now what happens, NSE website has been updated, so some syntax has been changed, and as you know this module serves well if you want to go through this web scraping thing, that is also good to go. Okay, and say suppose if you are you want to go through some modules and documentation, this is one of the best. Okay, so you can try this stuff. Now what happens, previously I've been done a video and I've been given the code, so you can try this stuff. Just copy out this stuff and try, it will definitely gonna help. Now in this comment sections I am definitely gonna getting this comment that my NSE Pi module is not working proper and I am unable to extract this stuff. So I am here to help you out. Okay, it is very much simple. Okay, first of all the installation process of Python should be good, and in second you need to update. Okay, so you need to follow this stuff and it will definitely gonna work for you. Okay, and previously it was like some 10 lines of code were there. Okay, 8 to 10 lines. So right now what I'm going to do is like I will minimize more and more, and we will go for fewer and simpler version and try to fetch this data. Okay, so you need to upgrade this NSE Pi. So upgrade, pip install upgrade NSE Pi, that's it, done. Okay, so we will get the upgrade and we follow this installation process. Since I already done, so upgrade is already done for me, and right now I will proceed with stuff. Okay, so I'll just show you, since previously I just shown how you can go for this thing. So many version which you can follow. Okay, so to get with your equity stocks, okay, spot price, options, futures, whichever you want, please go for NSE Pi model. Okay, and what happens if you go with any kind of a platform where exactly they have been giving this data? So what happens, the data are meant in EOD candle itself, end of the day. Okay, the only point is when you save and utilize, that is different for analysis purpose, for if you want to do, but in major section we will utilize this EOD candle itself. Okay, we won't require minute by minute data for analysis purpose or to perform any algorithmic trading. So what happens right now, say suppose if you want to go with programmatic trading, algorithmic trading or analysis, or main I say real time trading, you required in real time data. Okay, so this is one of the free stuff. And one more thing is that you can open a trading account for placing your orders, okay, to get the data. So for analysis purpose also you can utilize Alice Blue. Okay, now Alice Blue offers you can place the order, okay, which have been done previously, so many videos on the Alice Blue which you can follow. So all you have to do is like follow that link which is given below, just give the name, email, and you can select the state which is Karnataka, okay, and mobile number. Okay, right now the Karnataka is their head office, okay, corporate office you can see. So if you choose Karnataka, so your account will get open instant. Okay, and if you get Aadhaar card and PAN card, it will be an instant online process. Okay, so open the stuff and try to trade in intraday. If you trade in intraday, required I think documentation process also. If it is required, please do forward. If you want to carry for futures and other stuff, okay, so it is up to you. And for I must say that for this section of utilization of API, okay, in case of Alice Blue they have been upgraded a lot. Okay, so right now it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so utilize their WebSocket data, it is one of the best for placing orders. You can utilize and you can follow their documentation as well, and you can follow my videos, it will definitely gonna help. Okay, so in short, let's begin with this stuff. So I already shown you, you can copy this stuff and try. Okay, so there is no much difference. You can follow the documentation as well. Okay, so all you have to do is like you have to say NSE Pi dot xyz is their website which you can follow. Just get in there and everything is there. Okay, so from date, from start and end date. So let's I'll show you this stuff. I'll just plot and show. Okay, so go for this stuff, and from this what happens, initially I just give you the breakdown. What you can do is like you can follow your by giving this, you can go with your future options data as well, and do check whatever your requirement is there, what type of data you want. Please follow this stuff and it will definitely gonna help. Okay, so let's begin this stuff. So NSE Pi has been upgraded. Now I'll go simple. I will say from NSE Pi import get underscore history as gh. Okay, so you need this NSE Pi module and we say as a gh. Then you require this date time. I need a from date to this to date, from which particular day to which particular day I want to fetch this data. Say suppose if I want to perform this resistance and support, okay, I'll take this day data or say some breakdown analysis. So I particularly choose this day data and follow an analysis, and then exactly in a real time I get touch in with real time data, which you can follow from the WebSocket from Alice Blue, and then you merge them and then utilize. So this is the way. So both are free of cost, so you can analyze. So just open an account and try by yourself. If everything is working perfect, and if you already have an experience with already in a manual trading, what you can do is like you can take this help of this code and can utilize. Okay, so from NSE Pi does. So I will call I will import date time. This date time has dt. Okay, then I will import this date util for maximum accurate date policy. So if I just try to calculate from today's date, and it should calculate to the end. So if I say 30 days, there should be a calculation of a 30 days over there. Okay, so it will definitely gonna help. So this is what you required, and in next session I will after calling this data I need a plot. So I will plot a chart. So what I am gonna do, it is simple. I will import this stuff, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, so as you can see everything has been imported perfectly. Okay, so this is enough. If you do this stuff, you are ready to go with your extraction of data. And what we will say, we will go with the to date. Okay, so it is very much simple. I will call this today's date. So what happens, it is very much easy from this date to particular 30 days. So random selections will be there. Okay, so from my point it is a random selections, but what happens from this date util relative data, it will be perfectly executed. So what I have to say is like date time dot date dot today parenthesis. So what happens, this is a we required here in our if you go with the NSE Pi documentation, they have been followed as string format to process this date time date. Okay, so you can call this stuff, it is very much easy. So you can follow this, and we will call this from date. So we will say from date, and what we gonna say as a from date, we say as a to date minus dr, which is date util dot relative data, and we will say the same. So this is the format which you need to follow. Okay, and you have to talk about days. So day is equals 30, okay, or a month. So this is my to date and from date. So I'll just check whether everything is perfect or not, and if anything like I found any wrong details, I'll correct them. So up to here, if it is good, it is very much easy to follow. Okay, so up to here it is very much fine. Now what happens, you can give a trading symbol as well, whichever you want. Okay, so you can predefine this stuff. So I will say trading symbol equals as I previously have been done with the SBN, so today also I'll go with the SBN. Okay, now what I have said, data equals GH and my trading symbol. So if you follow the sequence and format, it will be very much easy. Okay, so trading symbol comma from underscore date comma to underscore date. Okay, so this is the way you can go, or otherwise you can say as a start and end. Now what happens, you can say as an this should be start, sorry. Okay, and this should be end. So from particular, the subtraction value is from highest to lower, so it will you get an right value. So this is the way you have to follow. Okay, so from this also you can mention as an start comma end. So this is the format which you need to follow. Okay, and you say print data, it will definitely gonna print whatever things are there have been followed during the extraction. Okay, so if I say print data, it will definitely gonna print me data whatever I want. Okay, so as you can see, it is very much perfect. So it is up to you how you want to go. Okay, so it is up to your requirement. So in a video tutorial, whatever I can do from my side, I am trying to do. So this is like a window which I am trying to show you how you can follow this stuff, and without paying extra money to any of the platform, you can have your own free data and can analyze by yourself and can do whatever you want. Okay, and thus you can indulge in some free of cost things and perform some stuff and then go for the real time trading. So this is the way you can go. Okay, so print data is done, and since every strategy is required a closed data, so this is the way you can get, and we will see a plot whether everything is working out or not. Okay, and we will simply plot this stuff. Okay, so here I got a plot, and since if you don't require this some variations, if you want to do, you are very much welcome. So you can follow this matplot module. So these are the modules which you can play around. Okay, so do this stuff, and in between you can include any third party trading for this algorithmic trading. You can follow this stuff and include and merge with them and then go with this stuff. It will definitely gonna help, and you can follow this style as well. Okay, because I already like this style of plotting, so I will go with this one, 538. Okay, so this will definitely gonna help. So over analysis, say your main requirement will be like if you go through any say trading part, main requirement will be there, like you need a numbers and then you need a chart, so already there. Okay, so you can follow the number as well as the chart. So Python makes it very much easy, and it will definitely gonna help you in customization part very well. Okay, so try to learn and follow this video. Subscribe to the Profit Data, it will definitely gonna help. Okay, so I will right now I have been given this stuff for equity stocks. Right now I can go with the Nifty. Okay, so now what happens, all you have to say is to to extract this spot symbol, index equals 2, that's it, and it will definitely gonna plot you. So right now what happens, say suppose if you want to perform this futures trading, that is you require spot price, so this is the way you can follow. So right now as you can see, it is particularly fetching the right time data which have been last it has been traded. Okay, so so this is the way you can go. So as you can see, my value which have been plotted. Okay, so from this analysis you can do. Okay, so up to like it has been crossed the 11,800 mark, and if you hover up to this stuff, okay, you will get an actual analysis 11,910. Okay, so this is the plot which you can analyze from your side. It will definitely gonna help you a lot in your analysis as well as trading in a real time. Okay, so what happens, programmatic trading will definitely gonna, whatever hectic schedule is there, it will definitely gonna minimize. Risk management will be there, and trading a lot of gains will be there. Okay, so what happens if you are already a manual trader, it will definitely gonna help you a lot. So shift to this and go for it. So Nifty is there, and if I say Nifty Bank, it will definitely gonna help you a lot. And so what happens, for Nifty Bank, so spot price, we can analyze our ITM, ATM, OTM, and perform this strike price through that one CEP, other stuff you can do, which have been done already video, so I won't take a long on this stuff. Okay, so I will leave this up to you, so please go through that one. It will definitely gonna help you a lot. So as you can see, we are seeing this present day data as well as the plot of the chart. So follow this stuff, it is very good to go. Okay, and thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have got any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.